world, and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. It's now about 3 o'clock on Easter Friday. Happy Easter, if I haven't said that to you yet. And then we had a wonderful day. We were sitting around doing nothing, made some seafood, paella, pasta-ish stuff. Anyway, great stuff. I had a big lunch, so kids are playing, going crazy, and my wife is lying in front of the TV, and I decided to step out quickly to make a little video. Okay, if you can remember this one, the Revo Ness, fantastic knife. I love this thing. The only thing I do not like about this knife, oh, and it can actually drop shut, is this. We needed to put some jimping on here. So let's quickly see if we can maybe do that. I have on occasion put jimping on knives, but then normally I would take hand files. Now, because I only have like 5 minutes before one of my kids jump in here again, we are going to see if there's an easier way of doing this. Okay, so let's do it like this. I'm going to put this right there. So I can still see the tab, but that the sides are a bit more protected. Okay, and then because I'm going to try to do this on the Dremel, hopefully you're not watching a video where I destroy a Revo Ness, but rather watching a video where I make jimping successfully without destroying anything. That would be really nice. Okay, I'm just putting, this is not going to stop the Dremel from cutting anything else, but it makes me feel a little bit better. Okay, so there we have our little tab. See if I can get this a bit closer. Okay, so I'm going to put a few jumps on here, not many, maybe 1 or 2, right there. 3 if we're lucky, without cutting into the sides, and I will take you along as I am doing this. Okay, I have this thing in my Dremel, the, what do you call that? Little grinder disc thing. So let's see how this goes. Okay, if you can see there, I don't know if you can really see that, but we have 2 small little jumps on there now. Okay, I really hope you can see that. Anyway, so 2 small little jumps on there. You can feel it definitely. And now I think, apart from this piece at the back that I cannot do anything about, this knife feels fantastic. And now it won't slip out of your hand. Well, not slip out of your hand, but it won't slip off your finger anymore. It's not super aggressive. You can't see it when it's folded up. Oh, you can, right there. Let's see if you can see that. Do you see there's 2 little jumps right in there now? How do I get that to focus? Okay, so right there, 2 little jumps. And if you have it open, right there, we can see the 2 little jumps. Fantastic. So I think now I can slaughter elk and caribou and springbok and impala and whatever you want to. And you can rock it like Nessmuk. Okay, stay safe, happy, and have a good one. Goodbye.